you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tiffany Nicole with another video. Today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieved this cute little crochet boho box braid look that I purchased from Amazon. So I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer them for you. Everything will be down in the description box below, and I hope I don't leave anything out. And like I said, I hope that you guys enjoy the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style.
Alright, you guys, so I am finished. I used a total of 5 packs. It's full. I love it. It did have a bit of a smell, so I would suggest that you guys rinse it out if you, especially if you have sensitive, like a sensitive scalp or anything like that. I do suggest that you rinse your hair out overnight or until it dries before you put it in. But usually I'm okay with it, but I think I'm gonna start, rinsing my hair out and things like that. I love this look. It is full in the back. And you can always shape it up if you would like, but I'm just gonna keep it this way, keep it this length, and then maybe I'll like cut it a little bit later. I don't know yet. I may not, because I kind of like it at this length. So yeah, I do have a middle part, as you can see, and I may just style it, like just pin it to the back. Not too tight, but and I can just let it wear it like that. So yeah, it's really cute. I really like it. I really do. I love the curls. It's not heavy at all. So you can move it from side to side, do whatever you would like. I really like this look. I purchased this hair from Amazon. It was like $35. It was less than $40 for 8 packs of hair, and I only used 5. I feel like you could get away with 4 packs, but I just like to just keep adding. I like my hair to be. Okay, your girl got a little tongue tied. So what I was trying to say was, it came with 8 packs. I used 5. You could get away with 4, but I like to keep adding, so that way I could get it a little bit fuller. But overall, you can get away with 4. Really full and things like that. So with the curls being in here, it kind of made it full with the 4 packs, but I just wanted to add an extra pack. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for continuing to show love to my channel. Continue to watch all of my videos. We're on the road to 500 subscribers.